Good morning to each and everyone that watching, whether you're the yard or abroad, in a real life, fully active, wagwan now. Yeah man, you know say I'm when me the land Jamaica and you never see that in the video. Why you never see it? Because it was a YouTube vlogger that picked me up and it happened where we're gonna do a lot of video in Jamaica, so you never want him subscriber them for know say in the Jamaica. So yeah, where me could post video. So him start post, so now is my time to start post. So just watch and full enjoy the video. Yes, fully active page. Finally make it back at Jamaica in a real life. Yeah man, you don't know, me have a subscriber, also a YouTuber, come pick me up from the airport. Yeah man, Jenna over there. So.
Yes, this is Shota. How are you guys?
Yeah man, fully active man. You hear the name? Shota. Yeah man. So also I have a YouTube channel, so make sure you check out him YouTube channel. I have up some nice content. Most of them content them still them in other language, you know what I mean? But from you can speak film language, them
There's the subtitles.
Yeah, all of your content they have subtitles for real. Yeah man. In a real life. So me and the general link up and I'm gonna show him what go on at Jamaica and make some move. So I just stay tuned for that. I full join myself in the Bahamas, Jamaica me there now. Yeah man, this is it peeps. Yeah, fully active. Good morning. Yeah man, they were come a place in a Jamaica. Don't know sunrise in the morning. Yeah, it's a good look. Is it pretty? Man, nice sunrise in the morning. Yeah, as usual. Good one. Now I'm not taking the sunrise, so now I have to come take in. But this is my view peeps. Left up on my yard here now. Go link Shota. Make your conscience spring here now, so I just stand up on the roadside. I wait for Shota forward here now. Then we can head to the Blue Mountain. You see pre? Yeah man, just there up on the roadside. Stand up. Wait for the Jenna for forward here now. So as soon as him forward, I'm going to make you see. And then we do road.
So nice to meet you, brother. My name is Shota. What's your name, bro?
Well, I'm JC, you know.
Yeah, nice to meet you. So today we're gonna find the real Rastamans.
Yeah, we're gonna find the real Rastaman cultures in Jamaica. In Jamaica, you have two types of Ras.
Oh wow!
You have fashion Ras. That means they just Ras they're here for fashion.
Oh.
They eat meat. They don't live up to the real Rasta culture.
Right.
But on the next side, you have the real Rasta. That's the one we want to find today.
Where they live?
Well, we're gonna go to Blue Mountain.
Okay, it's a mountain.
Yeah. Also in Blue Mountain, they have the famous coffee. You never hear about the Blue Mountain coffee?
Yeah, in Japan it's very famous of Blue Mountain coffee.
Okay,
man.
so you can take back some to Japan. So that's where we're going to go, the Blue Mountain, and we're going to link up some Rastafari, and we're just going to see how they live.
Okay, so let's find out. And also you do the YouTube channel, right?
Yeah, also you can find me on YouTube as Jamaica Sunrise TV.
Yeah.
You know, I do a lot of outdoor cooking. I also cater for tourists that come to Jamaica and stay in the 5-star hotel. I take them out and I show them the real Jamaican, the countryside, the culture. Yeah, in a real life. Instagram, you don't know, it's all about Sunrise Boss, One Law.
Okay, so please check it out, guys. Okay, yeah, so let's go.
In a real life. Yeah, man, so you know, so that was Shota. And we're going on the road, peeps. The touring just began. In a real life.
Okay, how are you doing, guys? So let's go to Blue Mountains, alright?
Yeah, man, we're going to the Blue Mountain. Oh, that door not closed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me and the famous Shota. going to the Blue Mountain, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can introduce your channel. You have a YouTube channel also, you know?
Yes, I travel all around the world, and then yeah, I have been doing YouTube for a long time, and then I share like a travel vlog. What's the reality of like each countries? Yeah.
In real life.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. And the YouTube channel is just Shota.
Yeah, Bappa Shota. Bappa. So Bappa meaning the backpackers.
Oh.
Yeah. In Japanese, yeah.
In Japanese, so just stay tuned, peeps. The vlog just get nice. Any look interesting thing you see on the way, we're going to stop, but we're heading to Blue Mountain up at the Rasta then. That's how we're going. Yeah, peeps, going up in the hills.
What's up? Can I take over?
Yeah, man, go over. Up on a whiny road that go up in the peeps. Look at that. Yeah, man. Very whiny. But we are go up one hill stick. You don't know where the Blue Mountain is going, so you don't know we are go up hill. But the road very whiny, peeps. Full of corner, twists and turns. See? Yeah. Full of twists and turns. In real life. But we're gonna make it. Yeah, man. We're gonna make it. We have a great Japan driver in Jamaica. Yeah, man.
Still don't get used to, bro.
Yeah, man, the good Japan driver, man, in Jamaica. Yeah, man, see, in a real life. Up here, I just get the natural here, you know what I mean? I not smell no pollution, nothing. Up here just have a nice natural scent, peeps. The air just natural. Yeah, man.
You're right.
You're right. Yeah, man, there I pass a little place going down. Welcome to me. Even see that sign there, so. Yeah, man, only a little shop we pass now, but the air not polluted up here, peeps. Yeah, just some natural air, man, natural breeze. People up on the roadside like then they have a party here, so yeah, man.
Barbecue.
Yeah, fully active.
Yeah, man, we have everything for the menu. We chicken and fish and pork.
Alright, what? Alright, park. Then say they have Rasta menu. Alright, can go. Yeah. Which part you think you're gonna park?
Maybe here, no?
Yeah, over there.
What's they have?
Yeah, they said it. Turn that side now.
Okay.
Yeah, them say them have chicken, them have fish. You eat fish?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can catch all that. You can start catch a clip them like them have something up there, so you know, so we make a stop because them say them have things ready. So we are going to see what them have ready. They say them have chicken and fish and them things there. So I'm going to see what them have ready. They want to set up music like them have party tonight. And wait for the general. In a real life. I'm up in the Blue Mountain. Love the vibes. Up here nice. Up here nice. Just I try fish or the lobster. Yeah, well my channel different, you know. My channel in Jamaica Sunrise in from Japan. So I'm film video them a promote a Japan.
Over them I go.
Yeah, more at Dragon.
So see I'm go on camera with me?
So one thing. Wonder how am I drink?
Oh, the kind of alcohol. Yes.
Yeah.
What's this one?
This Campari, rum and Campari.
Wow.
We call it the ghetto whiskey.
Ghetto
It's cheap
whiskey.
and affordable. Yeah,
Yeah man.
it's cheap and affordable. Sometimes we call it special, cause sometimes we can't buy the bottle, we buy the cup and call it special.
Yeah.
Prefer drink by every Jamaican. man.
And that cold cool.
Hot.
Oh,
You pour the beer. Pour the beer.
One glass in a glass.
Big one?
And cheers.
Big one.
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah.
How many?
Yeah.
Grab by your sister.
Thank you.
Many give me grab and no more grab?
No, this is Monique something.
Sorry.
Oh.
I tell when I hairstyle. I
Man,
really
you
hairstyle,
just
man.
stop by bar and wanna check into a shutters
They
video.
have the subtitles.
Yeah man.
everything,
Yeah, you can
you
read
can
it.
I read it.
Yeah,
Watch
man.
out now. Watch your hairstyle.
When I say Jewish American,
Yeah what?
today I like to look into America's largest Jewish community. So that's why you have to check out the Rasta. You look, you religious. Religion.
So Jewish and then Rasta is quite related, alright?
Yeah.
Right?
Mm.
Based on how they live and then we have whatever.
Hold the right hand beat, you do it.
Buy the food up there, so you know say too much music that play in the background. So I don't want to talk about the food, but look on it, it's gungu rice, you know. Look at it. See pretty. Some gungu rice with fried plantain and curry conch. Remember conch, curry lobster and vegetable. Then I look like some fried bami. Yeah man, and the general setup for him. Camera over there so some can go up on the rock, go sit down and eat it. Real yard man style. Yeah man, that a go on man, but pretty. Real yard man style, you know, peeps on the roadside. Nice. Some bungo rice. That's fine. Yeah man, Blue Mountain rice for your seat. Yeah.
Are we already in Blue Mountain here?
Huh?
This is Blue Mountain already.
Yeah, but we're just going further up.
If you see the coffee farm, let me know. I want to see.
If I see this,
If you see coffee farm,
yeah,
yeah.
okay.
This is a snapper with curry, no? It's so amazing.
Yeah man.
It's a big portion always Jamaican food. Yeah, big.
Yeah man, but it's nice otherwise man.
Yeah, so nice.
Yeah,
A
man.
lot of rice.
Lot of rice. Yeah man. See the peeps in a real life. So we just there going with a vibe, just some eat some food. Real Jamaican way, you know what I mean? And after we done eat some food, we're going further up in the hill. So stay tuned for that. Lock your mouth when I look for my curry. The food nice, but I left this for a little later. In a real life, my boss still over this up on the stone. Yeah man.
So
hungry and good.
Yeah, man. Boss, you shell it down, man. Fully active, man. Keeps the boss shell it down. The boss now ramp. I could have shell down my one too, you know. Yeah, man, but I left little cause I'm getting thirsty. I didn't buy no juice up at the shop, so I have to buy a water when I see a shop, a nut shop. So when I buy some water and drink, I mash up this zippery. Yeah, man, because you know tourists always have them water, you know. So when you done eat that rice there, you know, you can use water wash it down. You don't have no water to wash down mine. So when we reach our shop, we get some water. Hey, we say
Good food, Jamaican food. I love that.
good food, you the boss. Yeah, man. In a real life, man. That is it, man. So you know, I move on, you know. I mean, we have a long journey there to deal with, so. And what do we do now, please? Yeah, we're there in the Midland, Norway, peeps. The GPS never work so good for the location. Map your Z3, but we say if you cross a bridge, so you come like, I know I'm going to know because I'm up on the bridge. You see it, nice pretty water. Yeah, man, water pretty and nice. You see the peeps? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, pretty, man, in a real life. Boss, all I go and boss want to feel the water, you know. Hey, this is the first river from you come Jamaica. This is the first river from you come Jamaica. Yeah, my mind just tell me. Say, when I look on the water, peeps, the first river this him see since he come Jamaica. And this, we have more beautiful river than this, bud.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, this is just the start, bro.
Oh, this is just start.
This is just the
Look at this, the water is so clean.
Yeah, this is just the start. Yeah, man, Sunrise Boss does his best, man. You see it? The boss a real tour of Jamaica in a real life. Yeah, I mean, that a go on, man. Just subscribe to your channel. You see, P? You're there outside, man. The outside. Yo, sun hot, you know. Yo, sun hot, my peeps. What is this? This look like susumba, but it's not susumba. Yeah, this look like susumba, peeps, but it is not susumba. Oh, a nice little scene on the bridge, so. Feel the water now, man. You're gonna say, wow, it's nice. Looking at it, it's nice, but you need to let it touch you. Wash off your face.
Yeah.
Stand up on the rock. Can stand up right here, so. And catch some water from this, so. Any one of them rock. Anyone you want, stand up on.
Can you film also?
Yeah, man. Just put it on video and give me.
Yeah, bro. Right? It's cold. Okay. Yeah, man, it's cold. The icing water, eh? Oh, so fresh. I was almost asleep, man. Like in the car, so sleepy because so much green, beautiful nature, right? And you also, you know, the next to me, I was kind of like, oh, sleepy, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
I was so sleepy.
Yeah, man. I just remember. So you're so sleepy, so let's make you take a dip. Revive your back. Yo, peeps, so but we are go up come like at the top of the hill, we are go people and tell us say the floor we carry and the car and you go move from 20 I show you we are go up on some hill was steep in a real life, but the greatest thing we are going to reach is Zipri. Yeah man, wow. While I go me look on the right and see view.
Good view, yeah?
Yeah, cause you don't know after a hill, you always be a view. But look over there, so peeps. Look on that. The view nice. Yeah man. But I just go and focus on the road, you know, cause I don't want to come up here so I come get a chop tire or nothing like that. So, you know what I mean? But we are go up so steep hill. Very steep hill, peeps. But you have the view on that side there still. Yeah. And the sun is shining over there. Make it look even more prettier. Yes, peeps, then at the real countryside. In a real life, and it's nice. Nice to live in the country. Peeps. It's active and pretty one. Can see up on the hill there, it's a fog up. Can see so up here cool. Sun is shining down here, so look. Peeps way up and hill up, so fog up. And we just there, still a drive go up there. It's a rocky road, but we still a go up. Yeah man, so when you go up all Blue Mountain and them places, peeps, if you're a 4-wheel drive or some high car, you know, makes sense. You Zipri, yeah man, that a going man, but we take the time and go up there. Yeah, one of the old van that come like Africa. Yeah man. Old van in the beach. Look up so pretty. This road this never drive on in my life, but look over there, so look on the view. But at the baddest road this ever drive on in my life. Active girls that. Yeah man, the road bad man. What you say, the road bad?
Yeah, it's horrible, man.
Yeah man.
Difficult.
We buck up on 2 difficult spots already still and we pass it. We don't go open up buck up on nothing more difficult peeps. Cause look on the road. He have the simple mall. Oh, you say this one? Okay, yeah, we're gonna pass this one. Yeah, the one before was very difficult. I try what, 2 times and fail. Yeah, 2 times and fail, bro. Got it locking up the steering, yo. And it was just a drive, bro. This is an adventure.
Yeah.
This is really an adventure. Yeah, man. We're going up, man. By the rocky road. Enough car, they say not come so far, but Sunrise as a driver, yeah man, me I rock the steering left and me I rock it right. Have to bring me over here. Yeah man. Really rough man, but I take the time and go through the Zipri. Yeah man, really like it. Peeps, yo, me I tell you say road bad, but we finally reach up. Huh? Farming cap.
Farming gap.
Oh, farm mill gap.
Yeah.
Yeah man, in real life. It's then I you know peeps. Tour guide for up a Blue Mountain, you know.
Oh, it's an about, you know.
Yeah man.
The best tour guide for the Blue Mountain Peak.
Yeah man.
Dance more. Link up. General. Big up, you know. You know. Show them how I go on.
Yeah man.
That is
fully
it, man.
So where them can find on Instagram, YouTube or go?
Dan Simar, Dan underscore DON_SIMAR. You know.
Alright, so that means check him out on Instagram. So right now, want some Want a juice we drink, peeps. A long time I drive and me thirsty out. Mommy a bunks. Bless. Peeps, I want to, you know, they have good water pressure up here. I come see pipe. So pipe there, it's a good look. I want to drive all along. Some Canberry water getting soft. Then we go do it again. Yeah man, nice Rasta. Cabin up in our hills, peeps. On the Blue Mountain. Yeah man. A whole heap of rooms where you can rent out. Come on, look over so pretty. You know, say Rasta, the runners are make some breakfast in a real life. Man shutters. See? Room.
Wait, how is this? Yeah, I'm taking Blue Mountain coffee.
Yeah man, it's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah man. Blue Mountain coffee.
Best coffee you ever drink.
Yeah.
I believe. Because this is the real deal.
Yeah.
Javi.
Yeah man. So before you leave, you know you gotta stack up, you gotta get a real
Oh, I'm
coffee.
gonna buy
here.
one.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
gotta
for
get a
sure.
real coffee.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Because you know, because I'm gonna have to travel. I can't bring so many.
No
for me.
problem.
But I'm gonna just buy one. Smell. Really good smells.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's very deep, and then how do you say in Japanese we say kobashi. It's like a I don't know how to say in English this one.
But we say the
strong.
aroma is rich.
Rich, very rich and strong.
Aroma, yeah. And the coffee is sweet. You notice it's not bitter, it's sweet. So you can easily drink this coffee without sugar.
Yeah.
It's already sweet. It has that sweet aroma taste.
Yeah.
That is what is the depths of the Blue Mountain coffee. The taste.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that is it, peeps.
Have a next labor too, you know. Come on, man, sure.
Yeah, man.
Sure.
So you see that when you forward up here, so come stay too. You get the original coffee in the morning, you see it, and even when you're leaving also you can get your coffee for buy. And at the real deal.
We operate a processing plant also. So we are trader and dealer in this Blue Mountain coffee. We are certified by the Jamaican government. So we can ship coffee all over the world.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
You need to have a license to.
Yes, so
that.
I have a license. I am a certified licensed trader.
Yeah.
That is it. Well, when we get my coffee now and go back outside, make you know what time it is. But check shutters there are going to enjoy him coffee.
Yeah, already.
Yeah, man.
Nice morning times.
Yeah, that's why you asked for this morning, coffee. Yeah. And I told you that he's going to make you some coffee.
How do I take your coffee, my lad? Sugar?
Yeah, you can just put a little sugar in it. Yeah, see that?
Maybe I buy two coffees.
Well, say it tastes good now.
As much as possible I can bring, I want to buy,
Boss said he was going to buy one coffee, but now him taste it, he want to buy two.
I have the collection and the back of it. When you go to Japan, if you want, I can ship you coffee.
Yeah?
I will believe you me, I can send it to you.
Yeah, that you can ship coffee all over the world, so just let me know what you're up to.
I can ship the green bean, I can ship the roasted beans. Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's nice, peeps. In a real life. Yeah, man. You look on the place, peeps. Nice. Sun come out hot here now. It was me just done have a cup of coffee. Coffee was nice. Yeah, man, in a real life, man. Yeah, so they have a nice view up at top there, so I soon go up there and make you see what I go on. But for right now, I just there going easy back. Yeah, man, in a real life, man. But I go and place nice, man. Yeah, man. Room them nice also. Whole hills and valley, everywhere you look. Riverside, man. It's a building. Yeah. Oh, you say I deal with the Itals too?
Yeah, man, I have to fat Itals too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, well, that him say want, you know.
Itals too. See that?
You know, say, me have one of them
Charge bank.
battery there and me can't find the charger for it, you know, and me just beg one of my youth. You have the plug in to charge it.
Yeah, man. Me have,
And me send the youth go and get one of the Apple.
no, I know the Apple. That is just a regular one.
Oh.
Yeah, one of the Apple one.
Yeah, one of the Apple one. So we couldn't find the charger of it.
I think before me go, me have an Apple charger. Me can left one with you still.
Man, that would have one.
Yeah, man, I search in my bag, man.
If you find that, because I want my son take it and gone with it, and me use the light in it and I want to charge. See where can go.
Alright, yeah. So yeah, peace. But I say my deal with the Itals too. Itals too. You know, she shut her sit down and start talk feeling language.
ナチュラルシステムを循環させてるんだという話みたいですね。めちゃめちゃいい。
Kitchen smell nice.
I was to tell you I to leave the pot.
Yeah.
And put some amount of water. When we come it just dry and dry down. Yeah,
just
like at the right time forward. Believe you me. Yeah.
Are the breeze make you push in the door?
Yeah, can't out the store.
Yeah.
I said, I jam, so we come, we see the pot just and dry down. We say, yes, Jaja.
Itals true.
Yeah, I set it up.
Yeah, man, you're getting your Itals true now.
Yeah. Mouse, we are giving the Bappa Shota style too.
Yeah, man.
Tell Dang Samad, so take up the I love the stuff here. See it there, right? The back.
Rasta people drink milk.
No, this is not milk, this is oil from the coconut. But of course we will still drink some milk, you know, if it's needed, you know. Yeah, so we drink a little milk, yes, because, you know, sometimes I truly think the breeze why me. Yeah. You know, we put pumpkin and thing in it.
That sounds delicious.
Yeah.